All right, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Do you make plans every day?
No, I'm not that kind of a person that make plans. I am that person, sort of a person that would like to go with the flow with time.
Okay, so just you need to give one complete answer. Do you like to make plans every day? Absolutely not. Because I'm not kind of person who plans everything in advance. I just go with the flow whenever a thing comes to me, then I decide and do it over there. So to answer your question, I hardly ever make any plans in my life. Full answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's go on. Are you good at managing your time?
No, I am not good at managing my time. Mostly, I am not be able to do things at the right time.
Hmm? This answer
So,
is very, very short. Short answers are irritating for the examiner, so try to speak more. Are you good at managing your time? Yes, I'm good at managing my time. I always make timetable whenever I do anything. So I use my time wisely because I think time is the most important commodity in my life. So to answer your question, I am a very good manager of time.
yes, sir.
Something like this, just try to express yourself. What is the latest plan you made
Uh,
or you have made?
the latest plan I have made was shopping, but it was not successful.
Okay.
So I am not.
So I
So
couldn't
I
do it
don't
here. So the
like to make the
committee
plan at.
nikli. So we'll do it next time. Okay. All right. Try to speak more. Try to come out of this
Yes.
confusion, nervousness, and 4 5 good sentences should be spoken.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go on. What is the hardest part of making a plan?
The hardest part of making a plan is time. That we need a lot of time, and
Hmm.
it was time consuming mostly. So
Yeah, so what is
that
the
is
hardest part of making a plan? Well,
it is the
first of all, executing the
tough.
plan is the toughest one because you make plans in mind, but when you have to practically execute those plans, it is very, very difficult. On the other hand, then talk about second thing. So you need familiarity with these topics and ideas to express. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go on. It's your turn. Festival. What is your favorite festival?
Festivals are our important.
No, the question is not about festivals. The question is what is your favorite festival? So it's a good idea to start directly from there. My favorite festival is
Eid ul
Eid
Fitr.
al
Eid
Fitr.
ul Fitr is my favorite the day to celebrate with my family. I recently celebrated Eid ul Fitr with my friends and family. Eid ul Fitr is an important and cherish in such a way that we have small gatherings with our loved ones. So
All
to
right.
answer your question, Eid ul Fitr is my
Yeah,
favorite
Eid al Fitr is one of my favorite
favorite day.
festivals. That's right. And you can say it's a Muslim festival. We celebrate this festival after 30 fasts and all that. Okay, how do you celebrate this festival?
I usually celebrate this festival by firstly offering the morning prayers, as Eid al-Fitr is our religious festival. And after the religious prayers, we usually have breakfast with our family. After the breakfast, we usually give some gifts to our loved ones. Then after the giveaway ceremony, we have lunch with our the members of the family.
All right, that's good. So just try to speak fluently and use some connecting words when you transit from one idea to another idea. Let's go on. What is the most popular festival in your country?
Our countries are religious nature is usually religious in nature. So the most famous or populous festival is Eid al Fitr, and our nation celebrate in the full way or
Yeah, with full fervor,
full
with zest and
zest and
fervor, with excitement,
full zeal,
passion.
full zeal.
Okay, let's go on. Do you like Western festivals like Christmas, Halloween, and all that?
Yes, I like Christmas a lot because of their colorful nature, and they plan a lot. They have great dinners together. So I would like to have Christmas celebration once a time.
Okay, that's good. You like Santa Claus giving
Yes,
you the
ma'am.
gifts and all that.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
all right, that's good. So just try to be familiar with these topics and try to come up with more ideas. And your answer must be relevant. In part one, you have to give a crispy answer. Have you ever eaten chips? Crunch, crunch, that crisp.
To the
So
point.
answer should be crispy. What is crispy answer? To the point, according to the question in 4 5 sentences. That's it. Okay. All right. Thank you.